Welcome. If you're tired of getting unwanted message requests on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent message requests on X using your PC, all in just a few simple steps. With the latest updates, managing your privacy has never been easier, so let's get started. First, open X in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the three-dot icon labeled More. Click on it to expand the menu. This is where you'll find all the additional settings and features you need to control your account experience. Next, from the menu, select Settings and Support, then click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust everything from your account details to your privacy preferences. Now find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section is dedicated to helping you manage who can interact with you and how they can reach out. Within this menu, look for Direct Messages and click on it. Here's where you can take control over who can send you private messages. Under the Allow Message Requests from option, you'll see several choices. To stop anyone from sending you message requests, simply select No One. This setting ensures that only the people you choose can contact you privately, giving you full control over your inbox and eliminating unwanted distractions. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully prevented message requests from anyone on X. Remember, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments if your preferences change in the future. Taking a few minutes to update your privacy settings can make your experience on X much more comfortable and secure. Enjoy a clutter-free inbox and connect only with the people you want. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience.